Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a Design Spark mechanical tutorial, and we're going to be building a dog water and food bowl. I'm going to go ahead and create this in millimeters. So we'll go ahead and go to new design. And I'm going to go ahead and go plan view, get our circle. We're going to make this about 127 millimeters. Then we'll go control minus. Now we're going to go ahead and go over here to isometric view. We're going to go to plane, and then we're going to go ahead and hit the plane. Then we're going to go let's go to this mode here, and we're going to move this up. So we're going to click on it, we'll go move. We're going to move it up about 50 millimeters. So put in 50 there, hit enter. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and go to the top view for this. We're going to click on our plane. We're going to drag another circle in the middle there. That's 127. We're going to do this about 100. Okay, now we're going to go back to the isometric view. Now we're going to go ahead and blend. We're going to do a rotational blend. Go to the 3D mode. We're going to roll those two together. So we'll go ahead and click OK on that. Now we'll go ahead and get rid of that. We don't need that one, or we don't need this one either. So we'll delete. Now we're going to go ahead and select all. We're going to do a copy. Control C on the keyboard, Control V. We're going to go to move. We're going to grab this. We're going to drag it over. Let's do 125. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spin this. They should be kind of close together but not touching. Looks like, let's do a couple of undos. Okay, let's drag this over a little bit farther. Let's go about 150. Okay. Alright, now we're going to put another plane on here. And we're going to click there. Now we're going to go ahead and select the plane. By clicking on it, we're going to go to plan view, so it turns it sideways. And now we're going to put the bridge right here for the dog food. So we're going to come right in the middle here. Actually, let's just do a line from here to here so we know where the center is. We'll select the click off, we'll grab a line. And then we're going to go put another line here. Select the click off. We're going to grab line from midpoint straight down. Okay. Now we're going to go, let's offset this. This is going to be our dog bridge. So we're going to go to there. Now we're going to go ahead and get our 3-point arch. We're going to go from endpoint, and then we're going to kind of curve that a little bit. Now we're going to click on this line here. We're going to move it up. Well, actually, let's go to this mode here. Actually, let's undo that. I need to be here. So we're going to go delete. We're going to trim this stuff. Okay, so go ahead, trim that. We'll trim that. Get that one in the middle. Okay, now we're going to go grab the line. I'm going to put a line in the center there. We're going to right mouse click. We're going to set as mirror. So we only have to draw this stuff once. Now we're just going to kind of continue this off here. Go to there like that. Okay. Now we're going to get rid of this line. Now we'll go back to our isometric view. We'll go back to the 3D mode. Now we're going to drag this out. So we'll go to pull. We're going to pull from both sides, and then we're just going to kind of drag this. I don't want to go to where you start to see it, so probably right about there. Right there, 50. 50 will be good. We'll go ahead and spin that. And what I want to do is, I didn't want to see this right here, so we're going to move these bowls together a little bit more. So let's select that. Let's deselect these. Let's spin this. Go ahead and just get that bowl. Make sure that I got the bottom part. Looks like I did. Alright, let's go to move. I'm going to grab the green. I'm going to move that in. That's going to do, I can't really tell. Let's move it in. No, 20 is too much. Let's move it in 10 millimeters. No, 10 is even too much. 5. Undo that. Let's go 7 millimeters. Okay, and then I'm going to click on this one, and we're going to move this in 7 too. -7. Actually, let's go to move. Let's do -7. Okay. All right. Now we're going to go ahead and get rid of this. We don't need it. We're going to go click on this face here and go to plan view. And we're going to drag the actual bowl part. We're going to do that 80. All right. Now we'll do another one over here. 80. Now we're going to spin. And now we'll go to pull. We're going to pull both of these down. Let's go 35. Okay, now you're going to go ahead and spin this. We're going to do a shell. We're going to shell it about 5 millimeters. Okay, now click in there. All right, now you're going to add a pretty good sized fillet right here. We'll just say 8. So let me undo that. Let's click just on the line. We'll type 8. Or actually, that's too much. I want just 7. 7 millimeter. And then we'll click here and do the same thing there. 7. Now we'll go ahead and spin this. Now we're going to put some fillets out here. Let's do undo that. Let's do 4 millimeter. 4 millimeter there. And then let's select both those lines, do 4 millimeter. Now we're going to put a fillet right here. That's cutting in right there. Let's undo that. Looks like that bowl. Looks like I got a little cut right there on the dog bowl. I didn't want to have that. Let me zoom in and see what's going on. I'm just wondering why it's on this one and not on the other one. Let's go Control Plus. Yeah, it looks like something happened there when I was making the dog bowl. Let's go to Select. Control minus. Not really sure what happened, but let's go ahead and move these bowls in a little bit. All right. Just go to move. Let's grab that. No, it looks like it's, no matter what I do, the cut's getting bigger. Let me see if I can delete this. Oh, it's all become one solid now, so I'm going to have to actually undo and figure out. Let's do a few undos here and try to figure out where we made the mistake. Okay, let's spin that. And I still see it there. Let's go undo. It looks okay right there. So let's move this again. Can't see that. Can't tell how far I'm pulling that bowl in because it's covering, the plane is covering it. Let's get rid of the plane. Select the bowl. Let's go to move. Let's move it 9. So let's type in 8. Okay, we're going to go 8 there. Then we're going to move this in. Let's go to move. No, it's doing it there too. Let's try this just to move it manually. See if it. Yeah, for some reason it's. Not really sure what's going on with that. Let's see if I can actually delete these parts of the. Okay, I'm going to try to delete just these pieces. See if that alleviates the problem. Go ahead and delete. Okay, we're going to leave it like that. Since I think it's fixed the problem. So we'll go ahead and click there, go to plan view. Let's put our dog bowls in there, 80. Let's put another one in, grab the circle, type 80, spin that. Let's go ahead and pull these down. Minus 35. Okay, let's go ahead and spin this. Let's shell this 5 millimeters. Punch in 5. Go ahead and shell that. Now we'll go ahead and spin this. Let's go ahead and put these 3 millimeter fillets in there. Go to pull. 3 millimeter. Let's get these two. 3 millimeter. Let's go ahead and put the yeah, that's working good now. Let's go ahead and undo this. Let's just select all of this. Select all of these. 5 millimeter. Actually, let's do 4 millimeter. Let's spin this around, make sure that looks good. Let's put a 4 millimeter right there too. So we'll pull that. 4. Actually, undo. A couple of undos on there. I think one more undo. All right, I didn't want that. So let's take off that. Let's just do 3 mil. All right, you're gonna have to do these two right here. Let's grab these. Type 3. All right, that looks good. It's going to be our dog bowl. Let's go ahead and put a fillet right here. So I'll do that. Let's do 4 millimeters on both of these. 4 on that one. 4 on that one. All right. It looks pretty good. This is going to be our dog bowl. Okay, thank you for watching. Hopefully you got some useful information out of the video. Thanks again for watching.